Hey everyone, um since I'm just absolutely loving this palette, I'm gonna use the greens today. Those could be considered like teals, but that green on the lid and then those colors. So I'm trying out my bright colored brushes. I'm hesitant because it's really hard to clean these off. I did my last week. Last week I was cleaning all my brushes and I could barely get the color off from the shadows. Matte green called the Venomous. I use this green right here for my eyelids. I don't know why I tend to lean forward. I'm going to use that lighter green to blend it out. I should have put the lighter green on first. For some reason my brush isn't picking it up. I'm trying to pick up this lighter green and for some reason I'm not getting anything. I don't know if it's this brush or what. And now it's time to use that gorgeous frosty green on the lid. Ooh, nice. That is really nice. Ooh, that is nice. I think I'm gonna have to use fake lashes. Putting on some more of that matte dark green. Gonna go back into this color right here. This beigey color is called Coconut Connoisseur, but I don't know, maybe it's just too close to my skin tone. It's not really, doesn't really do much for me. Okay, so I'm probably gonna have to put false lashes on this. I don't think mascaras, at least not that Brett Rockman mascara, is not gonna work. Unless I try the Physicians Formula one. But anyway, let me just finish her makeup. I'm probably just gonna do regular black mascara, liner, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used, I put like a black liner and then put this green on the bottom. That's what I like to use these like brow brushes for, but if they're thin, I could use them for underneath. I also use this for the blush right here from Sunset Junction. I used the rosy side of this or the coppery side of this because it's got pink in it. And I just put it in the cap, and the cap still had some of the lighter color from this in it, and that's what I use. And it's I think alone it might be a little bit too much, but it looks really pretty. Those little pink sparkles look so nice. And I use the coppery one with the pink sparkles on my lips. And OMG, this thing smells so good. Oh man, I love the pearl in there that just floats around and swims around, and it just smells so good. So yeah, that's it. And sorry that I forgot to put this. I left it here and on top, and I just totally forgot to. So I'll try to get a little sample of this. This is so pretty. From it's the paparazzi, pap, paparazzi, whatever, from CVS, and this is so. It looks so pretty in the bottle. I I should have did that, so I'll try to get that out to you. And just quickly, as for my hair, you can already see because I keep using this in my hair so it can grow, especially since half my hair fell out. All the roots, you can see all the roots are coming out. You can see here, right here, that the roots are coming out. And I started I put purple dye in my shampoo now, and I really like saturate my hair with it. To try and, because I hate this little gold strip here that doesn't want to go away. And I have a lot of that towards the root because I missed doing the roots when I first did the bleaching. So, yeah, you can see my hair is like a light blonde. Some of it looks like a gold still. So, yeah. So yeah, just wanted to show you what's going on with my hair. The roots are starting to grow out, and when they grow out about an inch, I'll probably do the roots. So anyway, that's it, because I showed you like everything last week. Oh, and the release of the C2 capsule is the 15th at Ulta and at sugarpill.com. I can't wait. So it releases on the 15th, so I'm really excited about that. So anyway, love you all. Mwah. Bye.